Hi there, I'm Nathan from Skoda in Aldershot, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial video on the virtual cockpit. First of all, I'm going to show you the different layouts. This car already has the driver data showing, though there are different parts to this, including traffic sign recognition and a general overview of your consumption. Coming out of driver data, you can select different options such as vehicle status, telephone, audio for your radio or Bluetooth, and navigation. From there, you can change the view to best suit the setting that you've selected. We hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to use the virtual cockpit. If you have any further questions, call 01252 311 818. Thank you.